Good day mga kapaps. So this is our last tutorial activity which is activity 6. And then first I will what is MSI? So MSI is stands for Microsoft Server Installer. So it is a Windows installer format that uses Microsoft Word installer service to configure installer package such as Windows application or update package. Okay, so first let's start for our downloading the package of MSI. So open our Google Chrome, of course, and then search XM. You visit this first one, okay? And find docs here. You makikita mo dito. And then just click popular MSI package. And click this one. I'm gonna click Firefox 14.0.1. Okay? And click. And download na siya, okay? Our Firefox setup it's done. So open our VMware. Here in VMware, mamaya iayusin tayo sa tools. So just click this VMware. After downloading our VMware tools here, so just go to the settings, and then you will click this options. Here in options, go to the share folder, and make sure that you click this always enable. Okay, so and then okay, so check again. So see always enable. Okay, after that, so just minimize our server manager first. So okay, so let's proceed. We have a folder Firefox, and then open our folder here. Yung download natin kanina na Firefox, kanina na package, okay? And then drag this one to our folder, okay? Copying. Check if so we have meron na tayong package na Firefox setup. Okay. And then after that, right click go to the properties. Here in the properties, go to sharing, and then advanced sharing. Click the share this folder, and then share this one is dagdag natin yung $sign. So here in $sign, click apply, and then okay. So make sure that our network path it will copy, or ikakopy natin siya. So copy and then close. So go to our server manager. Here in server manager, click tools. Here in tools, go to the group policy management. Here in group policy management, Policy management. Itong natin, forest natin na ginawa natin. And then, domains. Yan. And then, BSIP. 4C. And then, go to the here. You will see the group policy objectives. Just right click and then new. Here in new. So I will name it uh, Firefox set up and just click OK. So this contents you will see this Firefox setup point. And then after that, this one Firefox setup. Just right click and click edit. And find policies. So here in policies, so um, find this software installation. Software installation, just right click new and then package. So paste our network shared na pinapin natin kanina. So paste and then enter and then click this one and then click open. So um, choose advanced and then okay. And then okay, here in deployment, find deployment, click uninstall application here and then just click OK and then done. So for our next step is go just first just close this one. So here again, so um, domain right click this then you BSIT 4C and click the link and access GPO and then click this one. Select Firefox setup. Okay, so just clicking OK and then done. So our next step is just we need to restart our server. So just restart, continue. So yun guys, so natapos na po yung pag-i-install ko ng Firefox. So let's sign in tayo. So okay lang. And enter. Yan. Hintayin lang po natin. So, yun nga po, low end po yung gamit device or laptop. That's why mabagal siya. Um, week po natin. So, mag-open tong service manager. Close natin ito. After nyan, so CMD. And type po natin is update dpet space slash course and enter. Click po tayo.